your soft tissue work for the arches and the bottom of your feet, we're going to use a lacrosse ball. You could always use a baseball or a tennis ball or whatever you have at home. But I think hitting the arches and plantar fascia and bottom of your feet is not only good for helping relax and loosen those tissues and those muscles, but it can also help relax and loosen up the calves, give you some mobility in your ankle. You also have a bunch of receptors in the bottom of your foot. So it helps stimulate that foot and give it a little bit more stability too. So Matt here is going to use the lacrosse ball. He's going to step his foot down on it. You're going to control the pressure by how much you push down into that ball. But we're going to roll through the arch of the foot. We're going to roll underneath. Let's pause it right here. I'm going to redo how I did that intro. All right, I didn't like it.
Start over again.
Yeah.
Take two.
Take two. For your soft tissue work for the bottom of your foot, we're going to use a lacrosse ball right here. You could use a baseball or a tennis ball or whatever you have at home. We're going to take that, we're going to get it on the arch of your foot, and we're going to think about making it triangles. We're going to go from the inside arch, nice and slow, think like an inch a minute. You're going to then go across the bottom of your foot to the outside and to your heel. So you're going to make that triangle from the outside to the inside, straight line across the top, and then you can kind of fill in the gaps all through the middle. Find spots that are more sensitive, slow it down, spend some more time there. It's going to help loosen up and help recover the plantar fascia, can help loosen up the calves and the ankle joint as well. You'll then repeat on the other side.